December 7th, 2020, practice / on your own. All right, so the table shows measurements. The table shows the 3 measurements for 3 students' houses to the Cleveland Zoo. How many meters does Orlando and Kim all together live from the Cleveland Zoo? All right, so we're trying to figure out Orlando and Kim. So we need to get Orlando's and Kim's distance. So Orlando's distance is 19 kilometers and Kim's distance is 33 kilometers. So we're going to add those together because we need to figure out the total and then we can convert it. So 19 plus 33. 19 plus 33. All right, now we're going to add them. And 9 plus 3 is going to be 12. I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus another 1 is 5. So 52 kilometers total. So 52 km. All right, now we can always put it over 1, remember, to make that into a fraction. So we are going to get from our kilometers to meters. So we're trying to get it to meters. So we're going to have meters, or M, up here, and we're trying to get rid of these kilometers. So I'm going to put km down here. Now let's take a look from kilometers to meters. Here we go. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So what we're going to do is, first off, we can cancel out these kilometers because anything divided by itself is 1. So kilometers divided by kilometers is 1. Now, on the bottom, 1 times 1 is 1. And 52 times 1,000, well, when we multiply 52 times 1,000, we get 52,000. I can make that a little bit smaller. And don't forget, we keep our meters there. So our final answer is 52,000 meters. And that's it for our practice / on your own.